Hello guys, welcome back to the channel where I am discussing how I would improve my drawings. So we'll just get to it. So 1, 2, 3 drawings to analyse, and then the third area is where I have my notes. First drawing, it's a good first attempt. It was a little bit too kind of angular, a little bit too wee bit too large, like this area, like the shoulder area, but I'm really happy with the overall end results. You can see where the structure is structured and layout and proportionalized, if that's a word. It's in proportion anyway. And the tutu you can see like was actually standing up properly. And what else did I use? I utilised the Loomis method for the face, geometric and observational methods as well. I'm really sorry about my voice. I have a really bad cold, so I'm talking like Chucky from Rugrats. So, second one, same again, and yeah, good second attempt, and I prefer this one because it's laid out a lot better and it's in proportion with the rest of the body, and it's not as large in certain areas where the muscles are, and the tutu is far better laid out as well, and the legs are positioned properly as well. So the third and final one, it's a good combination of both efforts. I feel the arms and the muscles within the arms are proportioned to the rest of the body, and I feel as if it's a lot better in general. I do prefer number 2, but number 3, again, this area is far better laid out. But yeah, I'm improving each day. If you want to see the rest of the videos, feel free and let me know what one you prefer. You'll see a difference in the videos and the drawings that I have created, and this is how I'm getting better at drawing very quickly. So join me for the rest of the journey, and I shall see you next time. Bye!